Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lower your Audi Q8. To begin, understand that lowering your vehicle involves modifying its suspension system. This process can significantly alter both its appearance and driving characteristics. We will explore various methods, discuss the benefits, and highlight crucial considerations to ensure a successful and satisfying modification. Let's dive into the details. There are several popular methods to lower your Audi Q8. Sport springs are a common choice, providing a fixed drop of typically 1 to 2 inches. For more control, coilover kits allow you to fine-tune both ride height and suspension stiffness. If your Q8 has air suspension, an electronic lowering module can adjust the factory settings, offering a subtle drop. Adjustable lowering links are also a popular option for air suspension, allowing up to a 2.5-inch drop. Lowering your Audi Q8 offers several advantages, primarily a more aggressive and visually appealing stance. You will likely experience improved handling, with less body roll and a more direct feel on the road. However, it is important to consider potential trade-offs, such as a slightly firmer ride and reduced ground clearance. Always think about how these changes will affect your daily driving and vehicle longevity. For the best results and your safety, professional installation is highly recommended. After any suspension modification, a four-wheel alignment is absolutely critical to correct camber and toe settings, preventing premature tire wear. Remember to regularly inspect your new suspension components for any signs of wear or damage. Proper maintenance will ensure your lowered Audi Q8 performs beautifully and safely for many thousands of miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.